My dear friend, Namaskar. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, DP Forensic Lab. Dear friends, in today's video, I will discuss about human identification techniques, especially used in forensic laboratory. The human identification is very important in crime investigation, disclosure to the family, providing justice, fair and fast justice. It is also important in honoring the dead, searching of a missing person, providing social and administrative information. It could also be used in scientific and social research and genetically and medical purpose also. In today's video, I will discuss about the techniques which are used for human identification in forensic lab. So the first technique is facial or the photo analysis. So in facial or photo analysis, the various facial features present in the video or the photo, such as facial form, facial fatness, eyes, nose, lip, molars, etc. features are used for comparison of the photos for identification or verification of a suspect person. The detail for examination of these techniques I will discuss in a separate video. The next technique is fingerprint analysis. So, as we know that the fingerprint of an individual has a unique characteristic. So, these characteristics are used for examination or the identification of a suspect person. This technique is used in many centuries ago. This is a very common techniques, very important techniques, and also very accurate technique. So for the comparison of the fingerprint, the features of a fingerprint such as resounding, delta, short range, bifurcation, etc. features are used for comparison of the fingerprints. Now, next technique is DNA analysis. In DNA analysis, the person's DNA or the suspect samples is matched with the known person. So this is a latest and very modern techniques. The other important techniques for verification of the human is voice analysis. So in voice analysis, the voice of the suspect person is used to compare the voice of a known person. So in voice analysis, the different acoustic, linguistic, and acoustic features are used for comparison of a voice samples. The details of the examination I will discuss in the separate video, but this is a very latest technique used for the human identification purpose. Now, next technique is a skull or the skeletal analysis. This is also very important techniques which are very used in the forensic science, because we know in the many cases the human remains are found on the crime scene, like a skull and other skeletal remains. So, for the analysis of the skull or the skeletal remains are used for the human identification. It is clear for the analysis of this techniques, a experienced, trained expert is required. Now, another important techniques for human identification is gait features analysis. This technique is based on the individual features or the unique features of the physique of a body, or the features when the person is moving or the walking, they are individual features. So the gait features can be extracted from the video like a CCTV footage, and a non-video should be prepared in the similar manner as the question video, and many features can be used for comparison or the identification of the suspect person. This is a not this technique is not so far much elaborate in the area of the forensic science, but in few cases I have used this technique, gate analysis. I will try to brought a separate video on this topic, gate analysis techniques. Now, other techniques is handwriting examination. This is a very old techniques and frequently used in the many decades back. In this technique, the handwriting or the signature are used for verification of a person or to identify a person. So on the basis of the handwriting, the person can be verified, or it may be verified that the particular document has been written by this person or not. This is a very old technique, but is a valid technique. Now other technique is iris or the retina features identification. This technique can be used for a many purpose also, like the monitoring of a person which is entering at a sensitive area like a airport, etc. Now the technique is forensic anthropology. Okay. This technique are used for determination of the sex, age of a person. And other technique is a odontology study. Yeah. So in this technique, the bones or the teeth, such type of the human remains are studied to identification of a person or the verification of a person. So there is a various techniques. This is very important for the identification of a human in the forensic science as well as the other purpose also. So in the today video, I have tried to summarize the all techniques which are used in identification of a person. It is clear for applying a particular techniques, the forensic scientist should be proper trained, and continuous research and training is required. It is essential, and the experience also is very essential part for becoming a good expert. So in today's video, I have tried to bring all the techniques. Thank you, dear my friends. If you think this is a slightly informative, please subscribe my channel and also give some comment. Thank you.